June 3rd, 2025, a date etched in the hearts of cricket fans. Royal Challengers Bengaluru clinched their maiden IPL title, defeating Punjab Kings by 6 runs in a thrilling final at Ahmedabad's Narendra Modi Stadium. The city of Bengaluru erupted in joy, with fans flooding the streets to celebrate the long awaited victory. However, the jubilation was short lived. On June 4th, during the victory parade near M. Chinnaswamy Stadium, a tragic stampede occurred, claiming 11 lives and injuring over 50 others. What led to this catastrophe? Let's delve into the details. The victory parade was planned to commence from Vidhana Soudha to M. Chinnaswamy Stadium starting at 3:30 pm. However, the overwhelming turnout of fans, estimated over 2 lakhs, far exceeded expectations. The stadium, with a capacity of 35,000, could not accommodate the massive crowd. People were everywhere, climbing over barricades, trying to get a glimpse of the players. Suddenly, there was a push, and chaos ensued. People falling, screaming, unable to move. The situation escalated at Gate 7, where the crowd surge led to a deadly stampede. Emergency services struggled to reach the victims due to the dense crowd, and the parade was subsequently cancelled over safety concerns. Among the deceased were young fans aged between 13 and 33. The Karnataka government announced a compensation of 10 lakh for each victim's family and free medical treatment for the injured. The Karnataka State Cricket Association added an additional 5 lakh to the bereaved families. Criticism has been directed at the event organizers and local authorities for inadequate crowd management. Despite deploying 1,500 police officers, the lack of proper planning and crowd control measures contributed to the tragedy. Large scale public events require meticulous planning, including controlled access points and emergency pathways. In this case, the absence of such measures led to a preventable disaster. A magisterial inquiry has been ordered to investigate the incident and determine accountability. The tragedy has sparked a nationwide conversation about the importance of safety protocols during mass gatherings. RCB's victory was a moment of pride for Bengaluru, yet the celebrations turned into a nightmare due to preventable oversights. This tragedy underscores the critical need for proper planning and crowd management during large public events. As we celebrate sporting achievements, we must ensure the safety of all fans. The lives lost in this incident serve as a stark reminder of the consequences of negligence. Let's honor their memory by advocating for better safety measures in the future. I'm Uma, and this is Trendline Times. Stay informed, stay safe, like, share, and subscribe for more in depth coverage.